Hello, it's Arda, your Italian teacher. In this video, I'm going to teach you the most common words and phrases that you can use when you're asking for directions in Italian. Dove, dove, that means where. Let's try to use this word in a phrase. Dove il cinema? Dove il cinema? Where's the cinema? This E here is the conjugation of the verb essere, which is to be in English. So when you say dove, dove, that means where is. Dove il cinema? Where's the cinema? Dove il museo? Where's the museum? Or dove la metro? Where's the metro? Since we are learning how to ask for directions, we need to know how to say right and left. Destra, destra, that means right. Destra. But be careful about the pronunciation of the letter R in Italian. R, destra, destra. Sinistra, sinistra, that means left. Sinistra. L'autobus, l'autobus. Autobus, that means bus. Numero, numero means number. When you ask which metro you need to take or which bus you need to take, a number will be the answer to your question, right? By clicking this link right here, you can go to the video where I'm teaching the numbers in Italian. Stazione, stazione, that means station, station, stazione. Whenever we have a Z between two vocals, that is pronounced like stazione. It's not stazione, it's stazione. Stazione dei treni, stazione dei treni, train station. One question for you. If you want to ask where the train station is, how are you going to build that sentence in Italian? Comment down below. Fermata. Fermata means bus stop or metro stop. Biglietto. Biglietto. Be careful about the pronunciation. It's biglietto. That means ticket. Ticket. Uscita. Uscita. That means exit. Uscita. In Italy, on the metro, there is always an announcement for every stop to let you know which exit you should be taking. Uscita lato destro. Uscita, you already know that. Exit. Uscita lato, lato means side, okay? Uscita lato destro. Exit right side. When it says uscita lato sinistro, that means you should be taking the left exit. Salire, to get on. Salire, get on. And scendere, get off. Scendere, get off. If you're paying attention, this verb starts with S and C. Whenever we have these two consonants together, those two create the sound sh. So the pronunciation would be scendere, scendere. You are on the metro or on the bus and we want to ask, when should I get off? Quando, quando, when, quando. Devo, devo, that means I have to, I must. Quando devo scendere? When do I have to get off? Quando devo scendere? When do I have to get off? You want to go to the city center and don't know how. There is someone going by and you ask, mi scusi, excuse me, mi scusi. Excuse me, per andare in centro, you should already know what this word means. Per, for, it was a preposition. Mi scusi, excuse me, per andare, andare, infinitive form of the verb to go, andare. Per andare in centro. So that should mean for going, to go to the center. Mi scusi, per andare in centro, per andare in centro. So, since this is not a complete sentence, you again have to use intonation to make it a proper question. Per andare in centro, mi scusi, per andare in centro? And they give you directions to go to the city center. They give you a bus number, all right? And you don't have a ticket. Then you have to ask people where you can get a ticket, right? Dove, dove, where? Posso, I can. Dove posso, where can I? Dove posso, where can I? Comprare, comprare is the infinitive form of the verb to buy. Comprare. Tiny bit of grammar here. In Italian we have verb conjugations, right? Io posso, tu puoi, lui, lei può, noi possiamo, voi potete, loro possono. When I say dove posso, that means where can I? As in English and other European languages, when you use a modal verb like could, should, have to, must, you use the infinitive verb right after. This is the infinitive form of the verb to buy. Alright? So no conjugation here. Dove posso comprare? Where can I buy? What do you want to buy? Biglietti. Remember, biglietto means ticket. Okay? Dove, where, posso, can I comprare, buy biglietti, tickets. Where can I buy tickets? If you still want to have a longer question, then maybe you can add per l'autobus, for bus. Mi sono perso. I'm lost. Aiuto, help me. Okay, very important word, right? Aiuto, help me, help. Ci siamo persi, we are lost. Ci siamo persi, we are lost. Dove sono? Dove? Where? Dove sono? These are always the same verb. Essere, to be. Dove sono? Where am I? A little bit of detail. If this is the verb to be, conjugated according to the noun we, if I want to say where are we, how am I going to say that in Italian? Dove sono? Where am I? Dove siamo? Where are we? Easy, isn't it? Scusi, excuse me. But if you have more than one person in front of you, then you're probably not going to say scusi, but you need to say scusate. Okay, that is plural. Scusate, excuse me. In English it's the same, but in Italian it's different. Vorrei. Another super important golden verb. Vorrei. I would like to. I would love to. Okay, vorrei. I would like to go to somewhere. Vorrei andare. Do you remember this verb? Andare. It's the infinitive form of the verb to go. Vorrei andare. I would like to go where we need a preposition which is a. Vorrei andare. I would like to go to a Piazza Navona. I would like to go to Navona Square. Vicino. Close, near, not far away. Vicino. Lontano. The contrary. Lontano. Far. Lontano, far. Qui, here. Albergo, hotel. Let's try to use all of these words in a sentence. C'è un albergo qui vicino? This looks like a simple syllable, but actually it means is there or there is. C'è un albergo? Is there a hotel? C'è un albergo qui vicino? Qui, here. Vicino, near here. Right? C'è un albergo qui vicino. Is there a hotel around here? Is there a hotel near here? C'è un albergo qui vicino? That's all for today. But I get a question for you. which of these phrases is going to be the most useful one for you in Italy? Waiting for your answers. Alla prossima!